Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be all about the Yeti X microphone from Blue. Now, as a lot of you guys know, I just started doing Twitch streaming and I definitely needed a microphone. So I did some research and it looks like this guy is one of the best ones that is available right now. In the US of A, this guy goes for $170 and in Canada, you're looking at $230. I picked mine up at Canada Computers, which is a Canadian computer store. I've heard really good things about this microphone and I'm really excited to upgrade my audio quality for all of my content. Now in this video we are going to unbox the Yeti X and then also do a sound test. And if you guys like what you hear, I'll link the microphone down below in the description. So if you want to pick one up, by all means you can just go right onto Amazon and order one. But let's go ahead and unbox it. Alright, so here is the front of the box, and I'm a big fan of the packaging. It's pretty minimalistic, but anyways, you can see the Yeti X right there, Yeti X logo, professional USB microphone for gaming, streaming, and podcasting, Discord certified. Here's the side, there's the back, the ultimate mic for creating and streaming. Then it's got a bunch of different platforms that you can use it on. Here's the other side, so product features, custom 4-capsule condenser array for greater focus and clarity. High-res LED array helps you visualize your voice level, which that's a main reason why I chose the Yeti X over the regular Blackout. The Blackout edition is really good. It's a little bit more cost effective too, but having the actual LED display here was a big reason why I chose to get this guy. Multifunction smart knob controls, Blue Voice broadcast vocal effects, customizable lighting for personalizing your mic, and 4 versatile pickup patterns. So really good so far. I can't wait to actually test it out. There's the top. Now let's chop it up and open it up. Alright, so pretty nice packaging so far. A little hard to get out. So inside right here, you just got your warranty papers. Then right here is a little diagram on how to actually use the microphone. Alright, let's get to the actual microphone. Woo! We'll start with this right here, which is your USB-A to micro USB. And it's not a super long cable, so if you're someone that needs a little bit more distance, you can definitely buy a longer cord on Amazon or pretty much anywhere. But this one looks to be about 1 meter long. Alright, let's get the Yeti X out of the box here. Wow, this thing is pretty heavy. Heavier than I was expecting at least. Nice chrome ring on the bottom. You've got the Blue logo right there. The bottom has this felt material so that you don't scratch up your desk or your work area. A nice matte finish on the base. Full metal frame, and it feels really heavy and premium. There's the micro USB port and your headphone jack. Now if we tilt it over this way, you can see right here it says pattern. This is where all the little LEDs are, just in this little ring. And you have 2 knobs on the side here to tighten up the microphone so that it doesn't move around all the time. So right there you can see it's not really moving. There's the top. Nice chrome edge right around the microphone too. Hey! No barking! And there's the other side with a Blue logo. Again, it looks very similar to the actual back. This is the actual front, and it's going to have those LEDs around, and you'll be able to mute it by clicking it. But I gotta say, this looks really good. Super premium, and I think it's going to be a great addition to my work setup. Now it's time for the sound test. So for the test, I'm going to be using the Yeti X with my PlayStation 5. So let's go ahead and plug it in for the first time here. So you can see as I talk, it shows me the feedback with the LED lights. And if I talk really loud, you can see it goes into the red zone. So I kind of know if I'm being a little bit too loud when I'm filming my videos. Anything in green and yellow should be totally fine. Then if you want to go on mute, all you have to do is click it. Then you're on mute. No audio is going to be collected. And it's just nice to have those visual cues with the lights. So if I want to go back to recording my audio like that, and then back to mute just like that, super easy. Okay, so right now I'm about maybe 15-20 centimeters away from the microphone itself, so I'm hoping it sounds pretty good. Obviously I can't hear what I sound like right now because I don't have a headset on or anything, but hopefully it's sounding pretty good because it's going to be used a lot for Twitch streaming and YouTube voiceovers and maybe even just YouTube videos in general. So I'm hoping it sounds pretty good at roughly 15-20 centimeters away. If I move a little bit closer, then I don't have to talk as loud, and I'm hoping that the audio quality is still really good. Yeah, I'm hoping this was a good purchase, the Yeti X microphone from Blue, and I'm hoping it sounds really good right now. Let me see if I can get a goal just cuz. I want to see if I can get it for the gameplay, you know. So it should definitely sound better than this. This is what I've been using currently for Twitch streaming, and it does not sound good at all. This is the PlayStation Pulse 3D headset, so I'm hoping that the Blue Yeti mic sounds a lot better than this guy. Okay, so the Yeti X definitely sounds a lot better than the Pulse 3D headset's built-in microphone, which I thought was going to happen for sure, just because, you know, a Blue microphone is a dedicated microphone, so theoretically it should sound better no matter what, but just actually hearing the sound quality out loud is just ridiculous. Just a night and day difference, and I'm really happy that I bought the Yeti X. It sounds really good, and I'm really happy with the purchase. I think it's going to be a really good investment for the audio quality across all of my content. And like I said, if you guys liked how it sounded as well, you can definitely pick up your own on Amazon. The link is down below. Other than that, I'm really happy with the purchase so far, and I'm going to go ahead and use it a lot before I make my final review. So guys, that's pretty much it for my unboxing and sound test of the Yeti X microphone from Blue. Like I said, I'm a big fan of it so far, and I've only been using it for maybe a couple of hours now. I'm really excited to keep using it and then post a full review maybe in about a week or two. But as of right now, I'm pretty impressed, and I'm glad I actually purchased it. But anyways, that is it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you like and subscribe. I hope you guys all have a great day, and I'll see you guys in the next video.